Hi, my name's Steve Gostin. We're going to talk about how to make a budget for repair and maintenance in a restaurant. Repair and maintenance is something that you have to anticipate is going to happen in your restaurant. It always does. And notoriously, it happens at times when you least expect it. Be proactive. Walk through your restaurant, especially the back of the house, and look through the kitchen. You know when you purchase these items. You know when things were done. You have to stay on track. You need to have monthly maintenance, quarterly maintenance. You have to follow where you have problems and prevent them from getting worse. Don't let things go. At the beginning of your budget period, look at what you've done based on your history. Look at what you've purchased. Look at your needs. Do you have a cooler that is old and you're having trouble keeping it going? Think about replacing it. Add that into your budget. If you don't use it later down the road. You can have that in your budget, but you have to prepare for it. You need to have the money set aside. So when you're preparing your R&M budget, keep in mind how old items are. Keep in mind direction that you want to have your restaurant go. Make sure your planning is accurate. You want to be effective and efficient with everything you do. But if you let R&M problems go on and on, you're going to have a greater problem down the road.